Today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful and professional portfolio website in just 5 minutes. And the best part is you don't need coding, hosting or any technical skills. This AI will do everything automatically for you. Open your browser and type Gamma AI. Click on official Gamma AI website. Click on Start Free. Choose Sign Up and log in using your Gmail account. After signing up, Gamma will ask a few questions. How do you plan to use Gamma? I'm selecting personal use, but you can choose whatever fits you. Next, you will see which role describes you. Select the role that matches you. Then choose your preferences. Just select everything according to your needs. Now, your Gamma dashboard will open. Click on Create New button. Choose the Generate option. Since we are building a website, select Web Page. Now, describe the website you want to create. For example, I want to create a portfolio website for a video editor. Once you are done, click Generate Outline. Gamma will now generate all the information and structure needed for your website automatically. You can add an extra card if you want, but I will keep everything as it is. Scroll down and choose how you want your website to look. I am selecting the blues theme. After selecting, click the blue Generate button. And now, just wait a few seconds. Gamma AI is creating your complete website, including content, layout, design, everything without writing a single line of code. Once the website is generated, you will see different buttons and sections. You can add links to any button so it navigates to the another page. You can also create additional page if you want. For now, I will keep everything as it is and click Publish. Click on Visit Site to open it. Your website is now live. And you can share the link with anyone. For more AI tools, tutorials and development videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel KS Craft Studio AI. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and comment. Your support means a lot. Thank you.